What's up, everybody? If you're trying to make $100 on a daily basis online, especially through YouTube channel, I'm here to tell you it's never been easier, like the way most people can say it. But today, it's going to be easier, and we are going to simplify it using what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to be showing you how I've managed to make $100. I know you can do it. And one of the biggest reasons why you can make it is here. It's called ChatGPT. I'm bringing it because I've used it. I'm bringing it because individuals, people are using it. So is you. Why are you not using it? What is special? What is that special thing that is making you run away from this assistant? Yeah, this alt tool, you have probably heard about it some time back, or you even know it, or you hear about it every day. It's a low-key tool that can help you at least do things behind scenes of YouTube. In other words, I've nicknamed it as my personal assistant. So today, I'm breaking down exactly how I'm using ChatGPT to make consistent money with content creation and how you can do it too. It is very simple. However, the simplicity depends on you. Do you want to use it regularly? Do you have any target? Do you have any focus? Are you consistent? It's when the results of $100 daily online will be achieved. You guys, I'm not a financial, this is a really disclaimer. I'm not a financial guru. I'm not that rich. I'm not here to say that I'm a financial consultant, but I'm a person that is trying to bring for you all the necessary things that are working for people out there. They have worked for me. I'm here to bring them for you. You don't need to hold a smartphone when you cannot make money daily basis. Without going very far, let me first appreciate all our subscribers, our fans that are always there at any time. Whenever we post a video, they are always there. Thank you very much. It's not about being there only, but also they have gone ahead to practice what we preach, as we also practice what we preach. So in today's video, let's dive in and see exactly how you can easily make $100 as a content creator using ChatGPT. On YouTube, you can even put your own platform if it is not YouTube. I'm going to give you 3 major ways how ChatGPT has helped me score this amount of money and I'm paid consistently. Can I tell you? All right, let's start up. Do you know I don't struggle with video ideas? No way. Gone are the days when I used to be there guessing. So right now, no more guesswork. I used to spend hours brainstorming video topics. Hey, now I just ask ChatGPT what is on the market, what is trending as far as my niche is concerned, and what is trending as far as what I'm talking about is concerned. So when I ask ChatGPT, it literally types something for me, but I have to first feed in something. Give me 10 trending, for example. I say, give me 10 trending ideas or YouTube ideas that really can be in my niche and they are booming right now. They're on market. Boom. It gives me a list based on what is hot, what is searchable, and what people are actually clinging on. You guys, there is no more second guessing what content to make. There is no more just scratching my head. That alone has saved me and has saved me too much to make sure that I'm consistent. I'm in position to post 2, 3, 4. So if you're out there and you have time, if I was you, I can even post 4. Why not? If you know you can do the filming, there is also another way to simplify your filming. Now this one, as we talk about video ideas, can I tell you, I would love you to sit down and ask yourself, which niche am I in? After knowing your niche, of course, you head over to ChatGPT, as you can see on the screen. When you log into ChatGPT, I think all of you now, you should be knowing how to use ChatGPT. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT, put it in the comment section. You make sure you set up your profile. After setting up your profile, you're good to go. It is going to be your personal assistant. Let's go now to the second way, or this how it has simplified my doing content, my posting, for me to earn consistently. It is transcript and scripts. You guys, there is that instant structure that I've gotten, including this video that you're watching. It did the transcript. Me, I did the reading through, the feeding in what I wanted, and then I went to the camera and started talking and elaborating. I always add in some things, and even sometimes I subtract depending on how the flow of my video is going to be. So what I did, I got the ChatGPT after knowing, like, I was by the making my lunch. When I was making my lunch, I'm like, oh, do you think I can make another video about how easy it is? Because most people can't believe that you can be consistent like how I am, or like the way other creators are. There are some individuals who have not yet known. So can I tell these people how it has helped me? I went to ChatGPT, I typed and said, please give me this and this and this and this, and it brought the transcript. So at this point, this is a game changer, you guys. I asked ChatGPT to write for me a full script, or even just a bullet point script or outline to follow while I talk. There are some days, like yesterday, but one before this video, I only asked for the outline. I had time to elaborate them, and so that way I'm not rambling. I stay on point, and the editing becomes much easier. You can't believe I don't take much time on editing like the way I used to do, because now you find the outline is clean, and or you find the transcript is very good. And if I do this one, sometimes I go ahead and do a voice over. ChatGPT writes the whole thing in my tone, and it's like I'm having a writer on demand. You guys, this is so beautiful. This is how it has helped me. When we go to the third point, and this is very crucial for all creators, it's about optimization. I don't remember when I last did optimization of my data, of my metadata. Metadata, I mean the video title, I mean the description, I mean the tags, all that. Even you can go ahead and make even the pinned comment out of the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT helps me to optimize everything. When I'm talking about everything, I want you to underline it. I ask it to make for me SEO friendly titles, keywords, which are very rich, or which have a rich description, and even hashtag suggestions. I tell it, please, this is my title of the video. It's all about this. Can I get hashtags that are highly ranked? That means that my videos get found faster. You might ask yourself, but they still have less than 1,000, but still they are doing great. This one, it makes people get me faster, which leads to more views, more watch time, and even more money. That's why I'm here singing that this is something that has made me make money. So now I've told you, between the content ideas, the full on scripting and the optimization of videos and SEOs, ChatGPT has made YouTube feel way less overwhelming than before. If you're serious, you guys, and you're a creator out there, or you want to be in creation, please, you want to make $100 a day, just stop scrolling. Don't feel so bad. Or you want to scale up. You want to scale beyond what you're doing. Start using this tool. This tool saves your time and helps you start consistent, and helps even remain consistent. ChatGPT is one of them. I have very many that you'll be seeing them in another video. Let me know, you guys, in the comment section. I don't want this video to be long, but I wanted to show you that with ChatGPT, this is why I've broken down from the ideas to the scripting and optimization, because these are the ones that are going to lead us to get enough money. So having known this, you guys, I want you to go to the comment section and let me know, are you ready to scale up or are you ready to start up? You have a smartphone. Let me know, what are you using with what are you using a smartphone in your hands? Thank you very much. You can make $100 on a daily basis if you're a creator using ChatGPT.